Would you like some breakfast, Tim?
Yes, please. I'm very hungry.
Would you like a cooked breakfast? I can cook you some bacon and eggs.
Oh, sorry, Fiona. I don't eat meat.
That's okay. I can cook you mushrooms and tomato.
That would be lovely. I like mushrooms a lot.
What about you, Maria? Would you like a cooked breakfast as well?
No, thank you, Fiona. I don't eat much at breakfast. I'd just like a piece of toast, if that's okay.
Sure. No problem. What would you like to drink, Tim? Would you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee. I always drink black coffee at breakfast time.
What about you, Maria? Would you like coffee as well?
No, thanks. I drink tea with my breakfast. I like tea with a dash of milk.
Is it okay if I have a piece of fruit, Fiona? I like to eat fruit before my breakfast.
Sure. Help yourself to the fruit in the fruit bowl on the table. How about you, Maria? Would you like some fruit with your breakfast?
No, thank you, Fiona. I sometimes have yogurt with my breakfast, but I'm not very hungry today.
That's okay. If you change your mind, there's yogurt in the fridge. Please help yourself.